In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send messages on Slack using an incoming webhook URL. Incoming webhooks are one of the simplest ways to send automated messages into a Slack channel from an external script, server, or workflow. They work by accepting a standard HTTP post request with a small JSON payload, which makes them especially useful for things like server alerts, build notifications, or log updates. One important note before we begin. Your webhook URL acts like a secret credential, so it should always be kept private and never exposed in public code or shared carelessly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Slack API console. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right corner and click the green Create New App button. When Slack asks how you want to configure the app, choose From Scratch. You'll then be prompted to enter an app name. You can use any clear descriptive name that helps you recognize what this integration is for. Next, open the Development Slack Workspace dropdown, choose the workspace where you want these messages to be posted, and then click Create App. After the app has been created, go to the left-hand navigation area and under Features, click Incoming Webhooks. On that page, find the Activate Incoming Webhooks toggle and switch it on. Once the page refreshes, scroll down and click Add New Webhook to Workspace. This is the step where you connect your app to a specific Slack channel. A permission screen will appear. Open the post to or choose a channel. Drop down and select the exact channel where you want the webhook messages to appear. After you've chosen the channel, click the green Allow button to authorize it. Slack will then take you back to the app settings page. Scroll down until you see the webhook URLs for your workspace section. In that table, locate the webhook you just created and click Copy next to the URL. Keep this URL secure because it allows messages to be posted directly into that channel. Now it's time to test everything. Open Terminal on macOS or Linux or Command Prompt on Windows. In the console, paste a curl command that sends a post request with a JSON body containing a text message. Replace the placeholder in the command with the webhook URL you copied from Slack. Then run the command. If everything is set up correctly, the message should appear almost instantly in your selected Slack channel. If it doesn't, double check that the webhook URL was copied correctly, that the channel was authorized properly, and that your JSON formatting is valid. Once this test works, you've confirmed that your Slack webhook is ready to use.